Going?
Yeah, it's going.
See, Jude, this for you. You gotta do this too.
Yeah, and Tiago too.
Wait.
We've already got a shot in the arm and the back. The first time I got shot in the back, it was with with clothes, and then I took it off with just the bare sleeve.
Right here. Look. See, it's real. It ain't fake. See?
All right, so we got shot there. We got shot in the arm. He got shot in the arm. Now we're going to kneecap, and we're gonna shoot each other again afterwards, so you can see.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh,
It hurt?
it stings.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh my god, it stings. It stings.
Oh fuck, I can't. Oh my god.
Oh, it stings.
Oh shit. Oh my god, dude. If that shit stinks for you, man, for me.
Yo.
Scratch. Scratch.
Fuck, it stings.
You alright?
Yeah.
Fuck. I'm saying medium mark. I'm fucking skinny as hell.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Yo, this shit stink.
Go ahead, use the
Yo.
fucking camera. Oh my
Oh,
god.
shit.
Oh my god.
Yo, this shit stings.
Oh fuck.
See, Joe? Jew, you gotta be doing this too. It's gonna be your turn, Jew. This shit sting.
Oh wow. No. Then go through. That was the wrong one. Fuck. Oh shit.
This shit sting like a motherfucker.
Oh.
Nah.
We shot ourselves.
You wanna take a shot?
Kneecap.
That shit sting, yo.
I'll shoot yours.
That shit
No, I got a
sting.
shot. I'll shoot the other one.
Oh yeah,
Zoom into it.
we gotta get a shot again.
Ah, shit, like right here.
Alright, hold on.
Nah, nigga already got shot there.
Wait, let Bruno shoot me. Hold
Stings
on,
like a
record
bitch.
it. I know it stings.
Put the bullet like in there.
What's next?
Hey, your turn.
I didn't do. No, I'm good. I gotta work tomorrow.
You're a pussy. You're just a pussy, that's it. Ah, fuck, I should ate just like a bitch,
That
though.
shit stings.
Yeah, I think it's because of the bone or some shit. Why should it be like fractured or some shit?
You just feel like
Ah,
scratching
damn. Ah, shit. I mean, you could see it.
Where can I shoot you now?
in the arm.
I'll shoot your arm then. Raise it up. Raise it up.
Alright.
Put it in the arm.
Wait, you goes first?
Oh, you almost shoot you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should
He shot me in the arm already.
Yeah, so.
Shit
Wait.
hurts.
A little bit.
You just feel like scratching
I
it.
shot myself like this, like already. So
Wait, should it be the left arm or right arm?
Let's get the right arm. Which one? On the left?
You shot me in the right.
Yeah, alright,
So,
you shot.
I
Alright.
shoot better even like this.
That's the left. It's gonna sting more like a bitch. Dude, my shit still burns
I'm
though.
not gonna get shot though. Fuck.
Doesn't that shit hurt? You're still hurt too?
It's like
Tingling, right?
Yeah.
Shit. If they don't do that, I'm gonna shoot them like purpose.
Hell, I'm gonna shoot that nigga's knee.
Next is a headshot.
Nah, you crazy as hell.
Shoot like anywhere up. Okay.
Does the bullet fly around or not?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Come on. Oh.
You good? Go!
Don't hesitate, bro. Just get that
Go.
shit.
Did it hit you?
Yeah.
Where? The bullet didn't make any sound.
It's skin, nigga.
Where's it at?
I don't know. I stopped it. Somewhere. It should be there somewhere, dude. Oh, it's probably under this crap.
Can I shoot? Let me shoot the bottom.
The fuck?
What the? I just saw it right there.
Yeah, word. The fuck? The fuck?
I just saw it roll right there.
Word. Must fucking put this shit on Facebook. Be like real man.
That shit stinks.
Be like real man. Do this shit.
I'm gonna shoot the bottom. Watch. Put that shit like on the couch.
Dude, we lost one.
Huh?
We lost one.
I just saw you stop it right there.
Yeah, word. Watch it be like in my leg.
It could be over here somewhere. Try to search over there.
Look at yourself.
On the ball too anyway.
I know it should have been here somewhere. You got like 140 of them. Shoot me in the arm now.
Oh, that shit stinks.
Shoot me in the arm. No, my knees, my kneecap.
That shit stinks.
My kneecap's like fucking like. This is stupidity. Don't even try this home.
Put it right there. I'm gonna shoot.
Shoot me in the
Right
arm. Shoot me in the left. Shoot me in the left arm.
Okay, put it right there on the couch.
Shoot me in the left
I'm
arm.
hold it.
Just hold it towards the thing, towards that
Oh
shit.
shit.
No, you don't gotta do it like that. Just hold it like this if you want.
Yeah.
Why should I shoot where?
But we don't know where the hell the bolt's gonna go through.
I'm gonna shoot right here.
Right here?
I'm gonna do quick shot.
Alright.
Right under the duh.
The duh?
Yeah.
Ring the Lord so it isn't the wall. Ready, set, go. Did it go through? The duh?
It went over the edge.
Way off.
No, hit like right here on the other duh. It hit on the other duh, right
yeah,
here.
he shot right there. You're supposed to shoot there, he shot there.
I shot the other one, duh.
The other
Alright.
Duh.
The first duh.
Shoot me the left arm now.
The
So
second
they can
duh.
also see that.
Psych.
Alright, record it.
I feel tired.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Shit, crazy as hell.
This is the only opportunity you have, Bruno.
Ready?
Over here, nigga. Don't aim at the bone.
What?
That's the fucking bone.
Ready?
Go! Stop being a dick!
Yeah, one over there.
Oh.
Let me shoot right there now.
See this?
Oh.
It's a real bullet right here.
Let me shoot your abs now. Like your stomach.
I shot right here, nigga.
Where's the other bone? Oh, never mind. It is only
Oh,
three.
word, yo.
There's only 3.
You want to shot there?
Yo. I wanna see him sting.
No, I want to see him first. He hasn't got shot yet. Where? In the stomach.
Fuck that, not in the stomach.
That
He
shit,
got shot in the kneecap.
that shit crazy as hell.
Shit gonna hurt even more.
Shoot my arm.
Shit
Bruno's
crazy as hell.
Right?
Brother against brother.
Yeah, word. Ready? Ready? Go! Doesn't even hurt.
Where'd he go?
It hurts like a little bit, like
Yeah,
right there.
that's what I'm saying.
It
That's what
barely
I'm
breaks the skin.
Yeah, I know.
It made like a white thing.
Yours broke mine down here when he shot me in the ear.
This shit crazy.
No, nigga, you were like this close.
No, I shot like this.
It just itches, right?
Huh?
It itches, right?
It burns.
When you get shot in the kneecap.
That shit itches.
It burns, that's it.
When you get shot in the
That
kneecap.
shit itches.
I feel tired.
Fuck. It's real stupid. Alright, it's back there. Damn, man, that's crazy. Yeah, I can't reach that.
Move the couch.
It's under the radiator.